Welcome to the Explainer. Over the last decade or so, traditional DevOps completely transformed how we build and deliver software. Concepts like infrastructure as code, CI/CD pipelines, and Kubernetes, they literally changed the world. But right now, we're standing on the edge of a massive cliff. Artificial intelligence is about to completely shatter those old operational assumptions. Today, we're talking about the end of traditional DevOps as we know it, and the inevitable rise of AI-native infrastructure.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering 1. The limits of traditional DevOps. 2. Why AI breaks the rules. 3. The AI native infrastructure stack. 4. New observability and security risks. And 5. The shift to intelligence orchestration. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. For years, the fundamental goal of infrastructure was actually pretty simple. Make it faster, make it scalable, automate it, and keep it highly reliable. It was kind of like building train tracks. Everything was supposed to be entirely predictable. But AI has fundamentally changed the nature of what we're running. We aren't running trains on tracks anymore. We're basically building off-road autonomous rovers. Section 1. The limits of traditional DevOps. To really understand where we're going, we first have to establish a baseline of where we've been. Think about the bread and butter of traditional DevOps. Application delivery, deploying containers, automating pipelines, monitoring infrastructure, scaling services. The absolute beauty of this old architecture was that it was largely deterministic. Applications behaved predictably. You knew exactly what the code was supposed to do. And if a server went down, well, the logs usually told you exactly why it happened. Section 2, why AI breaks the rules. Because, spoiler alert, the old rules just don't apply anymore. There is a stark contrast here. Traditional applications run on comfortable, deterministic, static logic. But modern AI systems, they are inherently probabilistic. Their workflows are constantly adapting. They reason dynamically, they retrieve shifting contexts, and they actively manage their own memory. Because the outputs are probabilistic, all of our old operational assumptions are completely broken. This brings us to a really critical definition. AI-native infrastructure is not just cloud infrastructure that happens to be running an AI model. It is an entirely different operational category. Think of it more like a living ecosystem. Instead of just hosting code, this infrastructure has to dynamically coordinate models, manage complex memory layers, and operate semantic retrieval systems all at the same time. You're no longer just hosting an app. You are keeping a digital brain alive. Section 3, the AI native infrastructure stack. Let's look at what actually happens when infrastructure evolves into reasoning infrastructure. The transformation here is massive. At the execution level, we're moving from static business logic to continuous inference and incredibly complex GPU scheduling. At the storage layer, we aren't just housing structured data in traditional databases anymore. We're coordinating contextual cognition using vector databases and episodic memory layers. And in operations, we're shifting completely from those predefined CI/CD pipelines to autonomous agents that utilize external tools. Because of this shift, we're seeing the emergence of what's called machine operations management. Instead of static automation, AI workflows dynamically adapt. Imagine an AI detects a security anomaly. Under this new model, the system might autonomously retrieve telemetry, coordinate various agents, query infrastructure APIs, and dynamically generate and execute a remediation plan entirely on its own. It's wild. Section 4, new observability and security risks. Because, as you can imagine, this autonomous power introduces some huge new challenges. Imagine you're on call at 2 a.m., and suddenly an application fails. The first question hits you: why did the model hallucinate? Let me tell you, staring at a traditional CPU chart is not going to give you that answer. And then the questions start piling up faster and faster. Why did the semantic retrieval fail? Why did memory routing drift? Why did an autonomous agent look at the data and actively choose the wrong action? This is the absolute chaos of troubleshooting non-deterministic, probabilistic AI failures in production. The only solution to this operational chaos is semantic observability. Because the infrastructure itself has become cognitive, your observability must also become semantic. You need platforms that offer prompt tracing, reasoning lineage, memory inspection, and the ability to track exactly how agents are coordinating and making decisions behind the scenes. And hey, it's not just about tracing failures, it's also about cost volatility. Traditional workloads are economically predictable,
But AI systems, they can trigger sudden inference costs, unexpected GPU spikes, or massive retrieval explosions based on a single complex prompt. Your infrastructure economics become wildly dynamic.
We also absolutely cannot ignore security. AI systems massively expand your operational attack surfaces. We're talking prompt injection, model poisoning, memory manipulation, tool abuse, and the exploitation of autonomous workflows. Security has to shift to a semantic level because standard firewalls simply cannot protect you from a malicious prompt disguised as a legitimate workflow request.
Section 5, the shift to intelligence orchestration. Let's zoom out for a second to really appreciate the scale of this paradigm shift.
The future infrastructure stack is built on entirely new pillars: inference orchestration systems, memory coordination platforms, agent execution frameworks, semantic observability layers, and workflow intelligence engines. What does this mean for you? It means the infrastructure engineer of the future is no longer just a server manager. You have to operate as an intelligence systems architect.
And that leads us directly to the central thesis of this whole explainer. Traditional DevOps optimized around application scalability, but AI native infrastructure optimizes around intelligent scalability. The operational center of gravity in tech is shifting dramatically away from mere deployment automation, directly toward adaptive intelligence coordination.
I want to leave you with this final thought. The next time somebody tells you that AI is just another workload for your DevOps team to manage, remember everything we've covered today. It's an entirely new operational layer built on distributed reasoning and semantic memory. It fundamentally redefines infrastructure engineering for the next decade. So the question you really have to ask yourself is, are you ready to architect intelligence, or are you still just deploying code? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this completely shifts how you view the future of your tech stack.